20 years ago, you had to buy a fake programming book, type every single line of code by hand, and hope there wasn't a typo on the listing. Sometimes the examples were hidden on the CD that came with the book. 10 years ago, you watched endless tutorials, paid for expensive bootcamps, and followed step-by-step courses online. But in 2025, everything changed. Now, your personal programming teacher is right here, available 24/7 and powered by AI. Let's try something simple. I just type, teach me programming. See that? Clear, structured, step by step. It tells you what to install, what to learn first, even where to run your code. And here's the best part. You don't even have to install anything. You can open an online interpreter, write your code right there, and in seconds, boom, your first program. You did it. But what if you don't understand something? Let's ask, explain variables to me like I'm 6 years old. Perfect, simple, visual, and instantly clear. AI doesn't give you answers, it teaches you how to think. You can ask it to explain loops, debug your code, or even build small projects with you, step by step. You're no longer learning alone. You've got a teacher that never sleeps. Now, maybe you've heard programmers complaining that AI sometimes writes bad code or makes mistakes. And yes, that's true, but at the very beginning, the chances of that happening are tiny. And even if something doesn't work, AI will usually help you to fix it sooner or later. So, what happens when you already understand the basics? You know what the variables are, you understand if statements, loops, and basic data structures. Then, it's time for the next stage, solving problems on your own. And 2025 spoils you with options. You've got entire websites built for practice. HackerRank, LeetCode, CodeWars, and many more. You don't need to ask AI about every small bug anymore. Sometimes you just have to sit down, draw your idea on paper, trace for variables changed inside the loop, and find the answer yourself. Most challenges are sorted by difficulty. Start with the easy ones, then slowly move up. Compare your solutions with others. At first, your code might be messy, too long, too slow, or just confusing. But you'll see other people's versions, cleaner, shorter, faster, and that's how you grow. And once you understand the basics of algorithms, you're finally ready for the fun part, building real applications. 20 years ago, your real program would probably be a boring text app in a black console window. Today, AI can help you build anything, a web app, a mobile tool, even a desktop game. It can generate the project skeleton, explain every file, and guide you as you fill it with your own ideas. Of course, the most important thing is your idea. You can find inspiration from online lists, ask AI for project suggestions, or simply solve a problem from your everyday life. But here's one piece of advice. Don't jump between 10 different technologies at once. Master one first. If you start with Python, try Django next. It gives you databases, user management, and a whole world of new possibilities. In 2025, learning to code has never been this easy. You don't need a degree. You don't need a bootcamp. Just curiosity and one message. Teach me programming. Good luck, and let us know how your journey goes. Subscribe for more tech facts about the future of coding.